The police are reporting that two of the four men who were shot and injured during a gun attack at a bar in Dover District, St. Mary, have died. The deceased are 40-year-old Damian Melvin of Windsor Castle, Portland, and 34-year-old Leroy Morand of the community. According to the police reports, about 7:10 p.m., Melvin Morand and two other men were outside in a bar in Dover District when they were approached by two gunmen. The armed men reportedly opened gunfire, injuring all four men before fleeing the scene. The police were alerted and arrived to find the victim with gunshot wounds. The injured men were taken to hospital where Melvin and Moran were pronounced dead. One man was admitted for treatment while the fourth man received treatment and was later released. A woman who was gunned down in Mandeville on Saturday morning has been identified. Relatives name her as Desija Falconer, otherwise called Drama, a resident of Burn Savannah in St. Elizabeth. Falconer was reportedly an exotic dancer. Preliminary reports are that about 6 a.m. the police were called to a service station on Main Street, where the woman's body was found face down. The area was cordoned off. Police theorized that the woman and a man were talking from a nightclub when, upon reaching the service station, they were attacked and shot. The injured man sustained gunshot wounds to his upper body. The police theorized that the man was the target of the attack as he was also shot during an incident in 2022 in Greenvale. Two men were killed in that incident. A Igla from Westmoreland who allegedly stabbed another man during an altercation along Noga Town Main Road, resulting in the man's death, has been charged with murder. Charged is 32-year-old Johnny Beckford of the community. The deceased has not yet been identified. According to the police, on Wednesday, June 5, around 8 p.m., Beckford and another man got into an altercation which escalated. It is alleged that during the fight, Beckford used a knife to inflict several stab wounds on the man's upper and lower body. The man was rushed to the nearest health facility where he was pronounced dead. The police said Beckford subsequently surrendered to the station on Friday, June 7, and was officially charged.